morning to everyone. Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is proud and privilege for me to introduce Narendra Shah, Chairman of Vision World Academy. Sri Narendra Shah, Chairman, Vision World Academy is a rare combination of a communication expert, an entrepreneur, a social worker, and a perfect PR man. Founder, Chief Executive of Ahmedabad-based Naren Advertising and Marketing. Over the last 4.5 decades, NAM has made its mark in India under his inspiring leadership as an INS accredited ad agency operator. As an ex-senior Rotarian, Narendra Bhai organized several Rotary vocational award functions which were marked by the presence of top dignitaries from various walks of life, including Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, Prime Minister of India, Sri Kumar Mangalam Birla, late Dr. I.D. Patel, Head Governor of RBI, CMD of several national banks, and Chairman of Security and Exchange Board of India, LIC, UTI, Venture Fund, Dr. M.E. Atharia, ex-professor IIM, Kolkata, and also Dr. Akul Jolokar, ex-director IIM. Narendra Shah was promoter director of Relief Mercantile Cooperative Bank Limited, Ahmedabad. Its honorary chairman and managing director for a long time. Award function organized by Narendra have always been quite impressive, and he has won special appreciation from Chairman of LIC of India, Chairperson of NABARD, CMD of Bank of Maharashtra, Exim Bank and Central Bank. In 2011, Narendra Bhai took another initiative to set up Vision World Academy, which is aimed to honor more and more achievers and serve the needy. When Narendra Bhai held the annual conference of Rotary International District 31040 at Mumbai, by organizing sponsorship of this project, he was hailed as a true Rotarian and also honored in the district conference. His vision, his dream to serve the society is quite vast and multi-dimensional. Sri Narendra Shah is our proud chairman of Vision World Academy. Now it is also proud and privilege for introduction of Vision World Academy institution. Vision World Academy is determined and dedicated in serving the nation from last 11 years by finding new talents from various walks of life and giving them a sound platform by honoring them. It is proud privilege of Sri Narendra Shah, Chairman of Vision World Academy, to honor today's 7 super achievers, including newspaper industry, a social reformer with motive to create a value-based society, corporate communication professionals, a veteran journalist, and TV news presenter, a dedicated professional in the field of educational welfare, a technologist, an innovator, and a business professional, and a spiritual and charitable NGO. All the awardees are basically here as well as in virtual mode, and all are today have been basically given awards for this their achievement. More than 200 achievers have been honored with Global Visionary Award. Most of the achievers got true identification of their talent and consistent hard work by receiving Global Visionary Award. And the man who brought them into limelight is none other than Sri Narendra Shah. The inspiration leader of Vision World Academy is a dedicated professional team. As a part of our efforts to pay back to the society, we have always created the cause of several leading charitable institutions and NGOs dedicated to the service of a disadvantaged section of the society. As a gesture of paying back to the society, Ayurvedic medicines were presented to several old age homes for distribution among the needy aged people. Earlier, Braille watches were also distributed to blind students. Last year, Ms. Anu Agrawal, as the recipient of Visionary Award, conducted an interactive yoga session with the old age home inmates under the arrangements of Vision World Academy. Vision World Academy expressed deep gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister and the Chief Minister of Gujarat Sri Narendra Modi for his blessing and good wishes to the Vision World Academy. He kindly agreed to meet the delegation of NRI who were honored with the Visionary Award in 2011. The meeting with the delegation led by Sri Narendra, Chief Minister, was marked by warmth and appreciation and regard for the dynamic leader of Gujarat. Mr. Neville Ghosh from Australia was overwhelmed by the kind gesture of Chief Minister for a meeting with senior executives of Gujarat. At the eminent personalities of Gujarat who have raised the flags at award function have wholeheartedly supported the aims and objectives of the Visionary Award. From Chief Justice of Gujarat and beyond, Dr. J.N. Bhatt, who praised over the first award function, observed that Visionary Award has rightly reinforced the age-old tradition of India's ancient civilization to honor the deserving person. Sri Thomas Matthew, former Managing Director of LIC, spoke about the importance and signification of visionaries and said that only visionaries can provide leadership to the society. Vision World Academy initiative to honor women achievers was welcomed by Dr. Manjula Subramanian, former CS and Vigilance Commissioner of Gujarat and Chairman for Metro Rail Project, while presenting Visionary Award to 3 women achievers at the award function January 2012. Thank you. These are the activities of Vision World Academy. Thank you.